In this recording, we're going to learn how to have our asteroids start at different places all along the top of our screen, game screen, and we're going to learn how to clean them up so they don't pile up at the bottom. Okay? So, first thing we're going to do is have them start at different places along this x coordinate. The top of the screen is an x, the horizontal part is the x coordinates. So we don't always want to start them at -23. We want to start them at some random number. The width of the screen, if you move your cursor all the way to the left, you can see the x goes to -240. And if I move my cursor all the way to the right of this game screen, it goes to a +240. Okay? So we're going to go into operators, and we're going to use something called pick random. Just put it over here to the side for a second. And we're going to have it pick some random location between -240 and +240. And the computer will just pick a random number for you. So that's going to be our new x value. Okay? So we're going to put that down here. All right. So now let's see what happens when we click on the green flag. Okay, so they're starting all along the top, but they're going all to the same spot down the bottom because I have -23 set to my x value here. But if I have it pick another random number, then things are going to be crossing across the screen. We would just want them to go straight down. So we need to find out what that x value was, that random number that was selected. So I can go into motion, and I can scroll down to the bottom. And here is x position. So it says what my current asteroid's x position is. And I'm going to put that right in here. So now it's going to glide straight down the screen. Okay? Now we're seeing we have a ton of them created at the same time, way too many of them, and they're all piling up on the bottom. So two more things we have to do. Let's go into control, and let's have it wait after it creates a clone. Wait a little bit of time before it creates the next one. Let's click on the green flag. 1 second may not be the right time, but you can change it to whatever you want. A decimal number will have them come more quickly. A larger number will have them come more slowly. To get rid of the pile up on the bottom, we have to go back into control, and way at the bottom it has everything about clones. And the last one is delete this clone. So after we glide to the bottom of the screen, we want to delete this clone so it doesn't pile up. And I'm just going to change my seconds to 0.4 and see if we get more asteroids coming. Okay. There we go. So now we see that they come, there's more than one on the screen at the same time, and they clean themselves up at the bottom. So you've learned how to clean up your clones, have them start at random locations, and change the amount of time in between creating a new clone.